I'm Bridget.
Mike, we had our home renovation done with Rusch Design Build.
We were really happy in the neighborhood and happy in our home, but our kitchen and bathroom in particular, we were looking for something new and kind of glamorous. We'd heard other people's stories that, it starts at X and it grows, it blossoms to become Y, and you get kind of perhaps trapped in that, it's like you're halfway through the renovation, all of a sudden. That was a little scary to think, because we really carefully budgeted and planned for this. So that was my fear.
I think our other concern was that we had a very specific design in mind. We were quite particular about what we wanted and the look that we wanted. We wanted mid-century, but not too mid-century, and we wanted modern, but not too modern. And so we were really concerned that the designer or the renovator wouldn't necessarily listen to us.
The design process was thrilling and so much fun. There was not a single day that it was not a lot of fun. We were really prepared. Like we, had our electronic files and we had our hard copy files. Tanya and her colleagues in design, Oliver also was helpful in a bit of the design, walked us through the process, and each meeting wasn't overwhelming. They were able to sort of zero in on aspects of the design. And so she just made it super easy for us.
When I wake up in the morning and I come down into this kitchen, I'm thrilled every morning. I don't get tired of it. I love the view out the new large window. I love the design of it, the style, the functionality, and I just love coming down and making a cup of coffee in the morning.
These renderings, taking it from like a one-dimensional drawing, it really makes it come alive. And also spatially, you're able to walk through in your mind's eye what it's gonna look like in the end. They're so thrilled for us, they truly are. And some of them have been gobsmacked. Like literally they come in and they need to sit down, which is so sweet. It's just so touching. Yeah, they've just delighted in all the little details. And there are so many thoughtful details that Rusch tucked in. It's just really heartwarming, and it's thrilling that our pals and our family members are so happy for us. It's really thrilling.
Yeah, for me, it makes me feel proud, and it's really exciting to walk people through the home. We can't believe it's our home, and to see the reaction on other people's faces is really rewarding.